In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format messages in Slack. This can really elevate your communication skills and ensure your messages stand out. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's kick things off with numbered lists. Numbered lists are perfect when you need to provide step-by-step instructions or when the items you're sharing have a specific order. For example, if you're teaching your team how to use a new tool, you could format your instructions numerically, making it easy for everyone to follow along. To create a numbered list in Slack, just start your line with a number followed by a period and then a space. Slack will do the rest for you. Next, we have bullet points. These are fantastic for listing out ideas, gathering feedback, or maybe jotting down a few quick notes. When you want your message to be concise and straightforward, bullet points are the way to go. You can start your line with an asterisk followed by a space to create a bullet point list. It's as simple as that. Now let's talk about text formatting that adds emphasis. Bold text, for instance, is perfect for making essential details pop. If there's a crucial date, a name, or an action item that you really want to draw attention to, using bold text is an excellent choice. You can easily make text bold by surrounding it with asterisks. So if you want to say, "Don't forget the meeting on Friday," you'd write it like this: "Don't forget the meeting on Friday." This makes sure it catches everyone's eye. Moving on to italics, this formatting is perfect for emphasizing a particular word or adding a touch of style to your text. If you want to highlight a specific point or express something with a little more flair, italics is just what you need. To italicize text in Slack, you can use underscores or asterisks. For example, you can say, "Please remember to give feedback on the report." That little twist really helps convey your tone. Next, let's discuss hyperlinks. Hyperlinking text allows you to neatly connect your content to external files or websites, rather than pasting long, messy URLs. This is especially helpful when you want to share additional resources without cluttering your message. To add a hyperlink in Slack, you can type your text normally, then highlight it, and click the link icon in the formatting toolbar. This helps keep your message clean and easy to read. As a pro tip, if you don't see these formatting options at the bottom of your message box, you can simply click the A button. This toggles the text formatting toolbar on, giving you access to all those great options I just mentioned. So there you have it, a complete overview of how to format messages in Slack. Whether you're creating lists, emphasizing key points, or sharing links, using these formatting tools effectively can really enhance your communication. Remember, formatted messages can make a huge difference in how your information is perceived and understood. Thanks for watching, and if you want more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Happy messaging!